Hi YouTube family. Today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of a vegan diet, particularly for brain health. Have any of you been concerned about your memory or the memory of a loved one? Well, there is a new medication that the FDA just approved a couple of days ago for the treatment of dementia. Dementia is when you have cognitive problems where you can't think straight, can't remember things. And I'm here to talk about how the vegan diet can, with a good lifestyle, meaning exercise and other things, that you could potentially not only prevent dementia, but also slow the progression, as this medication that the FDA just approved. It's for slowing the progression. It doesn't prevent to their knowledge, and it doesn't reverse. But a vegan diet can potentially do all three. It can prevent, slow the progression, and also potentially reverse the symptoms of dementia. So I wanted to talk about the vegan diet. I'll first talk about the 10 benefits in general for your health that the vegan diet can instill, but also point out more particularly how the vegan diet can help with your brain health, how it can prevent, slow the progression, and also potentially reverse the dementia, which is, like wonderful. There were years ago when I was in medicine. By the way, I'm Dr. Antoinette Lloyd. I am a vegan majority of the time, and also I've practiced medicine for over 30 years in the United States. So I've seen a lot, and I would say that when I was in medical school, it wasn't believed that the liver could be regenerated, but now we know it can be. And without your brain, there is no life. You can't get a brain transplant, at least in 2024. Okay, you can get a liver transplant, you can get a kidney transplant, you can get a heart transplant, but if your brain doesn't function, you have no life. It's important to maintain your brain health. So this is what this video is about, is how you can use a vegan diet, which is totally plant-based. In a vegan diet, there's no animal products. There's nothing that would come from something that has legs or fins or a mother, right? It's only from plants, plant-based, trees, shrubs, those kind of things. All right, so let me just start with what the 10 benefits are from a vegan diet, and then I'll go into more specifically how the vegan diet helps with brain health. So the vegan diet does help with your heart. There is no cholesterol in any plants. It's only animal based. So if you're eating meat, fish, chicken, you're getting cholesterol. But if you're eating leafy vegetables, fruits, etc., nuts and such, there is no cholesterol in any of those. So your heart can do better because you're getting less cholesterol. It can also help with your blood pressure. Also help with weight management, because a lot of the whole foods that you eat has a lot of fiber, so it fills you up, so you end up eating less. Or the foods that you do eat, if you eat a lot, you're eating a lot of low-calorie food. So I like to eat a lot. Now I'll eat, and fill myself up, but because it's fiber and it's low amount of calories, you don't gain a whole lot of weight even though you're eating a lot. So it helps with weight management, eating a vegan diet that's high in fiber. Okay. It decreases the cancer risk. That's number 3. It's well known that vegetables and fruits have antioxidants, and antioxidants fight free radicals that are involved with cancer. It helps blood sugar, because a lot of the whole foods, again, like if you eat an apple You're not going to raise your blood sugar so sharply as you would if you were eating apple pie that had the fat and sugar excess in there. That's just one example. It helps with your kidney function because there's no animal protein that's stressing your kidneys. It reduces inflammation. It's well known that fruits and vegetables help decrease inflammation in your body, and inflammation causes a lot of problems. It helps with digestive health. The high fiber, again, helps you move your bowels to get out the toxins out of your body. It's not staying there for days and days at a time. Normally, with a diet, on a plant-based diet, people have a regular bowel movement and every day, and so less gut load, less bad bacteria, and bone health. We all know that calcium is needed and vitamin D is needed for healthy bones. The vitamin D is normally something you need to supplement, or you get it when you are outside in the sun and it's generated in your skin. So you may need to supplement with vitamin D, but for calcium, green leafy vegetables is an excellent source for calcium, like kale, for instance, or even spinach. So you can get a lot of calcium on a vegan diet. All right. Better skin health. The vegan diet with the fruits and vegetables and all the vitamins in there and the minerals, it's healthy for your skin, you know. It also has antioxidants, so if the sun is doing some damage to your skin, you can repair better when you're on a vegan diet because of the antioxidants in the vegan diet. And last but not least is brain health. It can help with your brain health, and that's what I'm going to talk about further. But one of the things that the low cholesterol diet helps with is circulation. So not just circulation to your heart, but circulation to your brain. You know, you want to get the proper circulation to your brain so it can function better. So if you're on the diet with no cholesterol, you should have better circulation to your brain so your brain can function better. Also, the antioxidants and the vitamins and the minerals all help with the neurons in your brain to function better and to repair if they're damaged. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the benefits more specifically of a vegan diet for your brain health, or more specifically to prevent, slow the progression, and potentially reverse the dementia. I'm going to get off camera to do this. All right. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the video.
Dementia, characterized by a decline in cognitive function severe enough to interfere with daily life, affects millions globally. As research advances, dietary choices have emerged as a significant factor in dementia prevention and management. A vegan diet, rich in plant-based foods and free from animal products, shows promise in preventing, slowing the progression, and even reversing dementia. Prevention is the most effective strategy against dementia, and towards that goal, a vegan diet can play a crucial role. Plant-based diets are naturally high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, both linked to cognitive decline. Key components include 1. Antioxidants. Fruits and vegetables, especially berries, spinach, and kale, are rich in antioxidants, like vitamin C, vitamin E, and polyphenols. These compounds neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress of brain cells. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Although often associated with fish, omega-3 fatty acids can be found in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, as they aid in the maintenance of neuronal membranes and anti-inflammatory processes. 3. Fiber. A high-fiber diet supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is increasingly recognized for its role in brain health. Whole grains, legumes, Fruits and vegetables are excellent fiber sources, promoting balanced gut flora and cognitive function. 4. B vitamins. Folate, B9, B6, and B12 are critical for cognitive health. Leafy greens, legumes, nuts, and fortified foods provide these vitamins, supporting brain function and reducing homocysteine levels, high levels of which are linked to dementia risk. For those already experiencing cognitive decline, a vegan diet can help slow the progression of dementia. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of plant-based foods contribute to this effect. Key elements include 1. Anti-inflammatory foods. Chronic inflammation is a hallmark of dementia. A vegan diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, and seeds can help mitigate inflammation, potentially slowing cognitive decline. 2. Blood sugar regulation. Plant-based diets have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. High blood sugar and insulin resistance are risk factors for dementia. Whole grains, legumes, and non-starchy vegetables can help maintain stable blood glucose levels. 3. Healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can support brain health. These fats help maintain cell membrane integrity and support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, essential for cognitive function. Reversing cognitive decline. Emerging research suggests that dietary changes, including adopting a vegan diet, may even reverse cognitive decline in some cases. This reversal is believed to result from the combined effects of improved nutrition, reduced inflammation, and enhanced brain plasticity. Neurogenesis and brain plasticity. Certain plant compounds, such as flavonoids found in fruits, vegetables, and tea, have been shown to promote neurogenesis, the growth of new neurons, and enhance brain plasticity, which is the ability for the brain to adapt or change over time by creating new neurons and building new networks. These processes are crucial for maintaining cognitive function and potentially reversing early stages of dementia. Detoxification. An organic vegan diet rich in whole foods supports the body's natural detoxification processes. Reducing the intake of animal products can lower exposure to harmful substances like heavy metals and pesticides, which have been linked to cognitive decline. Overall health improvement. Adopting a vegan diet often leads to improved overall health, including better cardiovascular health, lower cholesterol levels, and reduced risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and hypertension. These improvements can indirectly support brain health and cognitive function. Practical tips for a brain-healthy vegan diet. To maximize the cognitive benefits of a vegan diet, consider the following tips. Diversity. Incorporate a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds to ensure consumption of a broad spectrum of nutrients. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Supplementation. Consider supplements for nutrients that might be challenging to obtain from a vegan diet alone, such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Limit processed foods. Minimize consumption of processed vegan foods high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. A vegan diet rich in plant-based foods offers a promising approach to preventing, slowing the progression, and potentially reversing dementia. By providing essential nutrients, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall health, consuming a vegan diet can be a powerful tool in the fight against cognitive decline. As research continues to unfold, adhering to a vegan diet appears to be a viable strategy to help maintain brain health.